Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Coding Hub. In today's video we'll have a look at making money as a developer and the different ways to do that using your skills that you already have as a programmer. Let's get into it. Now, the very first way of potentially doing this is via YouTube and creating content online. In places like YouTube, there are various other places where you can do this. It's not just YouTube, but you can. YouTube is the very first and obvious one that you can have a look at. The thing with YouTube is you can use YouTube to create a brand, which then allows you to monetize that brand. So whilst you might not make a lot of money initially from YouTube, it helps build up that kind of presence online and allows you to build trust with people around you who like a similar content. And around YouTube you can use stuff like Vimeo and places where you can post those videos and then sell those videos to people who have interest in your particular topics. The second obvious approach is via blogging, so things like Medium, which actually pay you per view and read on your articles. So you can write stuff on Medium to do with programming, and then as people read them and view your content, you get paid for that. Medium is great, it has no ads and it's all subscription based, so anyone on Medium has to subscribe to read different articles. And then the second option with blogging is actually creating your own website where you can drive search engine optimized content to your website and then monetize that via ads like Google ads or via affiliate marketing. However, that approach takes a little bit longer due to having to build up that trust with search engines and getting that reputation and backlinks built up over time. So yeah, it's up to you, but both of those approaches will work. One is slightly slower, but it will be just as good as Medium. Your third option is to create courses online on places like Skillshare and Udemy or Pluralsight. Pluralsight is incredibly popular with developers because it's a subscription-based model which allows you to watch as many videos as you want, a bit like Netflix. And there is also things like exams and other little tests that you can take and participate in order to check where your skills are at. Which is great, and developers love it because they can top up their skills every so often and check where they currently are in the process as technology changes so quickly. Places like Skillshare and Udemy are great for people who are just starting out in development. So if you want to learn a new skill or you've never done development before, you most likely go there first and find courses in the relevant topics that you want to learn or the relevant job locations that you want to check out. So they are great places where you can post beginner videos and courses. We actually have one on the Coding Hub in Udemy, so if you want, go check out the description for some of our courses. And the final option is freelancing. Freelancing is great when you're first starting out because you can find clients fairly easily on places like Upwork and Fiverr, and they pay you for your time. So whilst that is great because literally anyone can start, you don't have to have a certain amount of followers on Twitter or Instagram or anything like that. You can just put your skills on there and start earning money straight away. The only difficulty with that, unfortunately, is that you can only earn money whilst you're working. So you only earn as much as you put in hours because you get paid hourly on places like Fiverr and Upwork. And those are just some of the best ways to earn money online. Please check out the rest of our videos to learn things about coding and programming if you're interested, and let us know below what way you're using to create money online. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.